G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and I want to show you today the Wurth Hand Cleaner. So here it is here. It's a natural hand cleaner, so it doesn't contain any polymer beads or anything like, or sand or things like that. It actually has a natural aggregate in there, and it's a really effective hand soap. It comes in a 4-litre container like this with a pump and a wall bracket. So once you've got the wall bracket on, you just quickly slip another bottle in and put the pump on the top. Now, to use the Wurth Hand Cleaner, you need to wet your hands. One push of the pump is a metered amount, and that's generally enough to clean the dirtiest of hands, and we'll do that in a moment. It's pH neutral, so it won't affect anybody's hands. You won't get any dermatitis or things like that from it if you wet your hands first. Sometimes the aggregate can upset people's hands if their hands aren't wet, so it's really important to wet your hands. So let's do that. Give my hands a wet, then 1 metered pump, and you can see how much that is, and then just wash away. Now, it doesn't have a bad or strong odour. It's got quite a pleasant, light smell about it. So your hands don't have that horrible citrus smell that a lot of the hand cleaners have. So this is the Wurth Natural Hand Cleaner. pH neutral, metered pump, wall bracket, nice and convenient, clean, tidy, and out of the way. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and the Wurth Hand Cleaner, it is ready for work.